Hey guys, welcome to another episode of This versus That. Today we are doing unboxing, but we are not focusing on the product. Today our unboxing is focusing on where this product is coming from. You see, we buy laptops, we're trying to save money, and so what we do is we look on Amazon, we look on Apple to see where we can save some money buying our machine. And we've been buying it from Apple Refurb store for a while, and so we have one here today that came from there. So we wanted to show you guys what the product looks like when it comes from Apple Refurb, because when someone say, hey, this is a refurb laptop, they usually think, well, it has scratches on it, is it damaged? How does a product look when you open it up? Can I buy a refurb product and give it to someone? That are generally the questions that people ask. And so what we want to do is we want to unbox this today to let you guys see what it looks like, because honestly I have never seen this on the internet, so we figured this will be helpful for you guys. Okay, so let's roll that intro and do it. So right here on the back, it does say Apple Certified Refurb Product. So what you're looking at here is a slate gray MacBook Pro. It has about 16 gigs of memory in it. The video card is a 4 gig video card. Okay, so let's see what else is in the box. Instruction booklet, charger. Nowhere on here does it say it's refurb. Looks like brand new. And we have the standard stickers, booklets. Interesting. The booklets seem to be in Japanese. Very nice and clean. No scratches. Looks like they changed out the entire cover. scratches here. Brand new. For any one of you guys that have used a MacBook before, you know that all these down here are scratched up from news. So they literally just replaced this entire piece right here. No, they literally put everything that you would get in a new MacBook into this one. Looks like the screen's on. Battery's charged, so the battery is probably brand new as well. This is the version with the touch bar. Looks like it all works. Very nice. Very clean on the inside and outside. And there you go, guys. I hope you liked that episode. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, not basically around a laptop, but around what it looks like coming from Apple Refurb store, because honestly I was wondering how it would look myself. So besides that little logo up front that says it's a refurb product, oh yeah, and the Japanese instruction book, that too. If you don't mind those two things, the product looks great. It looks like a brand new product. It looks like they really cleaned it up and everything. So we saved about $400 by getting a refurb product with the same model that we would have gotten on Apple.com brand new store. So I hope you liked this episode. Hit like, and if you haven't subscribed to us, please do so, and we will see you in the next episode. Have a good one. Bye bye.